Yeah.
Chomp.
Trick or trunk.
Happy Halloween!
Whoa, hey, how you doing? Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Good.
Trick or treat. That's
Pumpkins.
from when I was little.
Really?
At my grandma's.
Wow, classic in vintage.
I would stay at 35 years old easy.
Come on. What do you got? What are we gonna eat first?
This is Rachel's. This is Rachel's on his mind.
Are you double fisting candy?
That was from the 60s.
Good thing you're ambidextrous, huh?
Listen.
I don't know which one to eat first.
Oh, this is the only one. We have a napkin. On video. Oh.